Hello students, welcome to e-classes. Up till we have completed activity 8. Now we'll start the 9. Hope you have understood everything. Activity 9. One way that we know that the fox and the rabbit are symbols is because they do not represent real foxes or rabbits. When something is not symbolic, when it only represents exactly what it is in real life and nothing else, we say it has its literal meaning. Literally and literature are all related to the word of letters. For words, the literal meaning of a word is its exact factual meaning. What is this factual meaning means? It is the actual meaning. For example, if literal meaning of a word, for example, if your friend says, I am dead tired, you know your friend is not literally dead because he is alive and talking to you, but he is dead tired, means he is not able to move even his hands or legs. That much tired means too tired. He is exaggerating. Exaggerating means he is showing off. He is not using the literal meaning of the word dead. Means he is not actually dead, but he is so tired that he is not able to move his hands or legs. We know that the fox and the rabbit story is not literally about foxes and rabbits. Real foxes and rabbits do not have conversation about cleverness. At least they don't have such conversation in English. Now dear children, this exercise you have to do on your own. Okay, now we'll start the last exercise, that is the activity 10. Read the story to yourself. Mark any words you don't understand. Use a dictionary, the internet, or your classmate who may help you to understand each word and idea in the story. One night, Emperor Akbar dreamt that he has lost all his teeth except one. The next morning, he invited all the astrologers of his kingdom to interpret this dream. Interprets means to find out what is the meaning of his dreams. Okay. After a long discussion, the astrologers prophesied means came to the point, and they gave the answer that all his relatives would die before him. Emperor Akbar was very upset by this interpretation. Interpretation means to give the exact meaning of his dream, and so sent away all the astrologers without any reward. Now what was the work of Akbar? When he is satisfied with the answer, he used to reward them. But as he was not satisfied with the answer, he didn't give any reward. Later that day, Birbal entered the Darbar. Now you know that Birbal was also a gem of Akbar's Darbar. Emperor Akbar related his dream and asked him to interpret it. After thinking for a while, Birbal replied that the emperor would live a longer and more fulfilled life than any of his relatives. Emperor Akbar was pleased with Birbal's explanation and rewarded him handsomely. Many people believe that their dreams have symbolic meaning, but people may interpret the symbols very differently. For example, many people dream of problems that they are having in life, but some people may think of their problem as a huge mountain that may be overcome. Another person may dream of a problem as a locked door and need a key. Another might see a high wall as a symbol of the problem. Now here in this story, we saw that the other astrologers, they gave a negative point to Akbar, and that's why he was not satisfied. But Birbal gave him a positive sign that he will live longer than his relative. Both are same, but as he gave the positive sign, so Akbar was pleased and he gave him reward. In the same way, many people see their problems in different way. Some may feel it as a huge mountain, unable to cross that. Some may feel as a locked door. We just need a key. Another may see their problem as just a high wall. We just need to cross that wall. So people have different problems and their solutions is also different. In the activities about the rabbit and the fox, you thought about the ideas and the people that could be symbolized by the rabbit and the fox. Now think about objects that might symbolize some ideas. Use ideas from your own thought or dreams, or think about stories and poems you have learned. Now here is a poem you can do on your own. And children, I hope you understood this lesson properly. Now I will give you the PDF of MCQs, filling the blanks, question and answers. Please go through it, and if you have any problem, please be free to ask me. Okay, I think you must have understood the chapter. Thank you.